Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to talk about the different material in sheet metal system, and each material can affect the first cost of the project, and might have some effects on the design also. So if you guys ready, let's get into it. Alright guys, as far as the duct material, first thing we need to determine is the type of application. For example, we are going to use this ductwork in a hospital, in a lab project, in a school, residential, or other applications, right? So based on the application, you can determine what type of material we want. And most of the time, we can go with metallic or non-metallic material for this duct system. I'm going to talk about these two material very briefly. The first thing here is the metallic duct, which is widely used in HVAC industry and commonly used with galvanized aluminum or stainless steel. This material can be used for different types of ductwork according to the usage. For example, in swimming pool, because of the corrosive effects of chlorine and moisture, fiberglass can be used instead of metallic duct. Or as another example, in the commercial kitchen, if you are using a dishwasher hood, we would like to go with a stainless steel material instead of galvanized because of high moisture in that area. Otherwise, it's going to be corrosive to the material. But for most of the system in commercial and in residential applications, galvanized steel is used. And as far as the gauge, it can be around gauge 24 to 26. The next one, which is steel under metallic duct, is welded duct. So we're going to weld the fittings to the main duct, which is used for a higher temperature, such as chimneys or grease exhaust duct in the commercial projects. So one of the disadvantages of this system is the entire system is going to be a lot heavier than galvanized steel. The next one is aluminum duct, which can be used in clean rooms and some special exhaust systems. One of the advantages is it's very light compared to stainless steel or galvanized steel, and also resistance in wet corrosive environments. But the first cost is going to go up. The other one is a stainless steel duct, which can be used in the fume hoods, in the hospitals, in the lab projects, and also if you have dishwasher exhaust in commercial kitchens. Again, one of the advantages is resistance to wet and chemical corrosive environment. And one of the disadvantages is the first high cost. And as far as non-metallic ductwork, I'm going to talk about the FRP ductwork. Can be used for special exhaust in the commercial and industrial projects, and also if you want to use this ductwork below ground, below dirt, it can be used. But as far as weight, as far as cost, and as far as dimension, there are some limitations to that. So you need to coordinate with the rep properly to get the right size. And the last one is going to be the PVC duct, which is very similar to the previous one and can be used in special chemical exhaust. And if you have a system underground applications, you can use it. Corrosion resistance, low weight, and forming are the advantages of this material. One of the limitations is the cost. So again, we talked about the pros and cons about the different materials in our website. Please make sure you double check the website later on, and please like and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful.